Hello, explorers! Whew. Is it just me, or is it getting really hot in here? I am standing on top of Mount Doom. Just kidding. This is an active volcano. Usually, we explore cool places, but today, we are going to the hottest place on Earth, the Magma Chamber. Whew. It is over 1,000 degrees Celsius down there. That is hot enough to melt gold. Don't worry, my suit is heat-proof. Time to jump into the belly of the beast. Activating thermal shields. 3, 2, 1, jump! Smells like rotten eggs? Yuck! That is sulfur gas! Explorers, did you know? A volcano is basically Earth's way of letting off steam, like a giant pressure cooker. Look at that rock! We have to be super careful. If I touch the walls, my suit might melt. Welcome to the Magma Chamber! Whew, look at this bubbling orange soup! Quick science lesson. When this hot liquid is underground, we call it magma. But the moment it erupts and comes out, boom! We call it lava. Magma, lava, magma, lava. Same stuff, different location. It's mesmerizing, but dangerous. Uh-oh. Did you feel that? The ground is shaking. This isn't just a nap. Good night. The volcano is waking up! Whoa! That was a lava bomb! Okay, checking the readings. Pressure is rising. Temperature is rising. Explorers! I think I made a mistake. I think it's about to erupt. Code red! Get me out of here! Full power to engines! Faster! Faster! It's right behind me! Ah! Ah! Whew! That was close! We made it! Look at that power! Nature is beautiful, but very scary. We learned about magma, lava, and why you should never play with fire. So, explorers, here is my question for you. If you could have a superpower, would you choose fire power or water power? Stay cool, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Smash that like button before it melts. Bye!